The sun beat down, I had the radio on, I was driving. Guys, I remember being a beginner guitarist, and before I could even play chords, the thing to learn on is riffs. That is the thing that gets you excited about playing guitar. It makes you want to learn the rest of it. All the things, you want to do all the things. I remember it was Peter Gunn, the theme to Peter Gunn, Dad showed me. Because I could play something on guitar, right? I could play it on guitar. I couldn't do anything else, but I could play Peter Gunn, right? It hit me the other day. There's where you start with beginner lessons, riffs. It teaches dexterity, finger movement, it gets you familiar with the guitar, and it keeps you wanting to play. Guys, this is the Practice with a Purpose series. We're gonna do Tom Petty's Runnin Down A Dream, the riff. If you're not familiar with MyPOVGuitar, welcome. My name is Brandon. We show you how to play guitar. We transform you into a guitar player from your point of view. This takes all the mystery out of learning, and the verdict is in. The feedback is coming back. People are raving about MyPOVGuitar. So guys, in this lesson, we're gonna do some finger exercises. Some people call it Tom Petty's Runnin Down A Dream. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna develop your right hand and your left hand. This will be really cool. It sounds a lot more difficult than it is. It's a really cool riff to play. It sounds so good. You can do it on acoustic and electric, doesn't matter. I'm gonna walk you through the video and show you step by step how to play this riff. Then I'm gonna run through it at the end with some tablature attached, but there's gonna be a link where you can click on that has just the riff, me playing the riff with the tablature, and it's looped. Okay guys, we're gonna do this with an acoustic guitar because I tend to talk when I hit notes and I want you to be able to hear me. You can play this other ways, but I want you to do the way I teach it because it's gonna teach some discipline in your right and left hand. It gets you used to using different fingers and different strumming patterns, down and up strokes. Guys, there's 9 notes to this riff, okay? And it's all on that top string, your 6th string, okay? And I'm gonna kind of go over some fundamentals here just in case. We number our guitar, the strings are numbered 6 down to 1. So if somebody says the 1st string, they're talking about the bottom, okay? So this is all on the 6th string, okay? And it's 9 notes, okay? In those 9 notes, guys, I want you to, just before you even start fretting anything, you can mute it or do it open. It's alternating between up, down, up, down, up, down. I want you to start on the upstroke. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's not gonna be a lot of movement, because you're on that one string, so you just have to be right there. So it's not gonna be hard to find. And it's really efficient just to up and down, up and down, up and down. So start on the up. So when you start on the up, you'll end on the up. Okay? And just kind of keep note of that as you're learning this riff. The frets in this, it's going to be a lot of open strings, and they're always on the up. But the frets are the 7th fret, 6th fret, so your 7th fret should have a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7, 6, 5, and then you go to 3. Which should be another dot, okay? So it's gonna be the series of open notes and fretted notes with this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Guys, if you're not familiar with tablature, I'm gonna intro you to tablature with this song, okay? With this riff. The tablature is laid out just like you're looking at the neck of the guitar, say if it were flat. So the bottom string on the tablature is your 6th string, and it runs like that. And the numbers are which fret. Unlike a chord diagram, the numbers do not have anything to do with your finger numberings, okay? So you'll see on Running Down a Dream, you'll see and it'll be on that top string, 0, 7, 0, 6, 0, 5, 0, 3, 0. It's telling you which fret to do, and 0 is open, right? So there is sort of a working man's sheet music, right? It tells you exactly what to do. 0, 7, 0, 6, 0, 5, 0, 3, 0. Okay, I'm gonna run through it slow. So it's just descending, right? So it's 7, 6, 5, 3. I'll show you real quick. Okay? If you slow that down, you'll notice that every one of the open is on that upstroke, okay? So your downstrokes are gonna be your fretted strings, and the open is the upstroke. Okay, now guys, not only do I want you to do the up, down, starting with up, on your right hand, here's some discipline I want you to do. Your fingers are numbered 1 through 4, okay? Index finger is the first, middle is the second, ring is the third, pinky's the fourth, okay? I want you to start with the third on the 7th fret. So you go open, up, stroke, ring finger down on the 7th, okay? Then I want you to, as you descend to that 6, I want you to do your second finger. And then the index finger. So when you're doing 7, 6, 5 with the chords, I want you to descend just like, with the notes. I want you to descend fingers, okay? And then it goes to 3, and so you do your index finger twice. Okay, so upstroke, ring finger down, upstroke, middle finger down, upstroke, index finger down, upstroke, index finger down again. Okay? Practicing learning that up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and which fingers to use. Because I still want to play it. I randomly just throw fingers on there, you know. But this gives you some practice. It gives you a discipline to go, okay, I need to go up on the open strings, on the strokes, and I also need to change fingers. And it's really efficient on that 7 down to 5. You don't have to move your hand, you're just doing fingers. Okay guys, I'm gonna run through this riff 4 times on electric guitar. And I'm gonna put the tablature up there. And what I'm gonna do is in the comment section, I'm gonna pin a comment. It's gonna be to this video. It's gonna be to just this part of me playing it electric with the tablature, and it's gonna be on a loop. So now that you know what to do, which fingers to use, if you wanna just go to that video and learn to that, it will sit there and loop for an hour. So you can just let it play and watch and play along with me, okay? But this is basically what it's gonna be, but on loop, right? Okay, guys, I want to invite you to go to MyPOVGuitar.com and check out our beginner course. We start from the very basics, how to hold the guitar, how to hold a pick, how to tune your guitar. We do chord diagrams and intro to tablature, right hand, but a lot of right hand rhythm things in there. And then we end it with an introduction to bar chords. Guys, this will help you leapfrog years. This is all the slow learning that it took me years to do and mistakes, and I've cut all that out, and I'm gonna save you, I don't know, 5 to 10 years on learning. Guys, check that out at mypovguitar.com, the beginner course, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Wow.